most interesting trends in this field that are exciting you, and do you think will be the most impactful over the next few years?
I think the stuff that I'm most interested in at the moment is the discussions around ML ops. I think kind of DevOps made such a massive impact on software engineering more generally. Then there was something called data ops, which I think is still fairly kind of new as well. And then obviously ML ops as the aspect of how do you build and manage your machine learning algorithms. And I think that's going to become more and more complicated, right? Like as you have more models that are in production all the time, as you kind of need to manage model drift and data drift and all of that stuff, being able to be on top of that stuff without necessarily increasing the size of your organization, I think it's going to be super fascinating to try and figure out what's the right tooling that you need to put in place. How do you keep on top of your increasing data sets to measure that quality before it goes into it? Who's responsible for this? Do you put your data scientists on 24/7 support, even though you might have less of them, or is that something that software engineers do? How do you avoid handovers? Because handovers generally kind of create some sort of grumpiness in the teams and probably slow down your development process as well. I think that operationalizing it so that you can really put machine learning in all of the parts of the organization where it provides value without you having to build a insanely large data science organization. I think that's super interesting. I mean, obviously there's a lot of stuff also in, deep learning and stuff like that. And I think kind of the stuff that I'm interested in that space is actually almost more active learning. And how do you get on top of your data quality issues and make sure that you kind of find the right places and explore and kind of reinforce, I guess, like data collection and data validation in those specific areas.